Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it is time for my first beauty box unboxing of the month, and the first one that's arrived this month is from Look Fantastic. So not seen any spoilers, don't know anything about it, so let's just get straight into it. So this costs, sorry, my camera is the other way around. I normally look over here, but now I'm having to look here, so I'm all back to front. So, oh, I can't do it this way. Right, so Look Fantastic is a beauty subscription service. It costs £15 a month including delivery. I've had it for a couple of months now and I really like it. So I am going to get straight in. Before I actually do get into this, I just want to say last month we were given a code to get 20% off the advent calendar. Now I lost my code. I ripped it up and put it out with the paper recycling, and I contacted Look Fantastic and just said, I've lost my code, can I have another one? Because they had an offer running where if you were a new sign up that you could get your new box plus the advent calendar, get 20% off your advent calendar. Anyway, they said no, so I thought, and I ordered from a different company, and that should be arriving very soon, so you'll find out about it. Needless to say, I actually found my code this morning, and I've decided not to get it. I'm a lady of principle. So in we go. Here we go. Ooh. So every box that you get is different, and this is this one. It's got an emerald green lid. Let's have a look. Oh, that's really stunning. So it is a very dark sort of forest green, and then like an emerald green on the top with gold wording, and that's the hashtag. There's a hashtag LF Beauty Box, and the Look Fantastic on the lid. And I just think that looks really classy, really stunning, and it's really heavy. So I'm just wondering if they're going to go along the Halloween theme or the autumn theme. I've seen no spoilers, so let's get in. So the box off, it comes like this. So you always get a booklet telling you about the products, which is there, and you also get, which is really good value, can't get it out, you get a copy of this month's Elle magazine. Oh, my favourite perfume. I can't do this, it's the wrong way around. My favourite perfume in the whole wide world. Absolutely love it. Oh, little card inside, little samples. And so yeah, it's just full magazine. So you get the magazine subscription too. I'll keep the little booklet handy, and here are the products, and I'll let you have a little look first. Something smells nice. Oh, looks really full. I just thought it's probably the green for Halloween, but there we go. Can you see? So I'm going to put it down and just start pulling some items out. So first thing I can see is, so it's a Mono Skin Night Renewal Complex. There we go. And let's just see what that says there. Sounding mils are in here. It was a good size, to be fair. There's 30 mils. And let's see first of all what it says. October. So it says discover this month's theme, which is hidden gems. So October. As we start to suffer from the post-summer blues, this month's box is all about embracing positive energy and self-care through beauty. So get ready to pamper yourselves with 6 amazing products that will not only leave you shining on the outside, but pampered on the inside too. In this magazine, we will be exploring the power of crystals, hidden gems around the world, a guide to sparkling makeup, and an exclusive Q&A with celebrity makeup artist Bryony Blake. So let's see what it says about this cream. So here we go here. So it is, as I say, the Mono Night Renewal Complex, and it says refresh and rejuvenate your skin whilst you sleep. This lavish treatment ensures you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity of your skin, containing marine collagen and polysaccharides. The complex revitalizes your complexion whilst fine lines are smoothed out, firmness is restored, and signs of aging are prevented. My type of product. That sounds good. So it just says, after cleansing and toning, massage into your face and neck every night using gentle upward movements. Then as you sleep, your skin's ability to absorb active ingredients peaks and your skin cell regeneration power is higher, so always use the nighttime treatments. So yeah, I'm really pleased. I quite like Monu Skin. I think it's a nice brand, so lovely first product. Next thing I can see is it's by Dr. Lip, and this is an elderberry lip tint, or an original lip nipple balm for dry skin, and it is actually the lip tint, so I'm really pleased about that. So I think I got the cream in a box last month, so I'm pleased to have this bit, and it says a global cult beauty staple designed to leave lips soft and smooth with a high gloss finish. Originally created as a nipple balm for breastfeeding women, it's become an essential amongst top celebrity makeup artists to create extra long lasting lip gloss and priming before makeup. Use this either to relieve chapped lips or to intensely moisturize areas of dry skin like the cuticles. Imagine that'd be for the balm, not for the liquid gloss thing. So squeeze out the product onto your fingertips and use to spread it out onto your lips for a glossy moisture. And apply a small amount of the product to a small lip brush and use this to neaten and sharpen the edges of your eyebrows. If you've received the elderberry lip tint, use this to lightly tint your lips for a naturally stained look. Yeah, don't be putting this on your eyebrows because you'll just look weird. Let's have a little look. It feels really thick. I'm scared it's going to explode all over. I can't. Oh, it's really thick. That is the colour. So it's a really sort of berry plump colour. You can tell I'm not used to working this way around. And it is really thick. And that's going to give a really sticky, natural sort of gloss look. It's hard to see there, but I think it will be really nice. So I'm keen to try that. I think it's one of those, on a windy day your hair will stick to your lips. That's a nice size. Next thing I have got is a Hava mineral body lotion, and it says water, and it is 40 mils. Let's see what it says about this, if I can find it. Okay, so it says so yeah, a mineral body lotion. This incredible body lotion uses the power of Dead Sea water, rich in skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium and potassium, increases skin's moisture level, providing all-day comfort. Let the formula nourish your dry, itchy skin and provide refreshing hydration in a fast-absorbing formula that will not leave skin greasy or sticky. Apply generously to clean skin after a bath or shower. Perfect to use when the weather is getting a little colder, when your skin starts to get a little dry and flaky in the winter. So yeah, my skin definitely does get sort of that sort of itchy, sort of irritated sort of feeling when it gets sort of dry. So I have started really probably in the last year being really good at always applying a body lotion. So I am really pleased to try this. I've not tried it before, so that's a nice brand to try, and it gives a decent sample to try it with as well. Next thing is, oh, nice little pot. What's this? Oh, what is it? What are you? It is a Prey. Is that what it is? Prey. And it is a throat and décolletage cream. So did you know that your neck ages faster than your face? Well, this #1 selling cream by Pray, so that's P-R-A-I, is going to be an absolute lifesaver. The weightless, fast absorbing formula improves crepey skin, double chins, droopy jowls and turkey necks with visible results in just 7 days. Oh, we need to do a 7-day challenge. The ingredients of mulberry, saxifrage and grapeseed extracts combine to brighten and diminish age spots and discoloration, whilst shea butter hydrates. So apply in gentle upward strokes from cleavage to chin, morning and evening. And when applying, do not overly massage into the neck as it can stretch the skin. So yeah, I'm keen to try that, and I think that we will give that a go. And if you says you can see differences in 7 days, I'll do a before and after photo and we can compare. Let's have a little look. Oh, it smells really nice. Let's get a little tiny bit off the lid and pop that in. We just put this back on, otherwise I'll end up spilling it because I'm really clumsy. It smells really, really nice. And that's gone in. Gorgeous. Oh, it smells just really clean and fresh, light. It smells lovely, and yeah, it's not greasy, and that's all absorbed in. Fabulous. So next thing I've got is, I recognise the packaging, it's quite distinctive. I've got a Pixie by Petra, and it is a fresh face blush. Ooh, I've not got a blush yet by Pixie, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. I just love this packaging. I just love the sort of lime colour. So yeah, let's see what it says. This natural blush will add a healthy glow to your complexion with its warm toned colour. This cult brand focuses on creating pure and botanical infused formulas that give skin a radiant and fresh appearance. Enhance your own natural beauty with this fresh face blush. So lightly dust this blush across the apples of your cheeks and across your nose for a glowing and sun-kissed appearance. So it's really good. It's sealed, but let's get into it. If I can. I'm really impressed with this box this month. It's really good. I'm so happy that I signed up for it, even though they were rubbish with my code for my advent calendar. Never mind. Okay, let's have a look. So, oh look, you can see as well, it's got the Pixie by Petra just embossed on the powder. Okay, and it feels really, really smooth. It's really smooth. That's the shade there. So it is a very natural colour. So yeah, it's really nice, warm, toned blush. So I am looking forward to trying that. I'll do a little bit here, so you can see. I think that'll probably suit most skin tones. So yeah, another great product. And then finally, I think I've got one more left. It is, Talika Depuis 1948 Bubble Mask Bio Detox. That's a belter. It's massive. These, I just love face masks, sheet masks. So it says, transform your skin with the Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox, an innovative firming charcoal mask that contains thousands of nourishing micro bubbles. On contact with the skin, this formula effectively detoxes, hydrates and unclogs blocked pores to banish all impurities, revealing clear, bright and glowing skin. So unfold the mask and lay it onto a clean, dry face. A fine dense foam will form. After 10 minutes, take off the mask, massage the foam onto your face and rinse. And then recommend doing a face mask 2 to 3 times a week, and always moisturize afterwards. So yeah, that looks really interesting. So it says on it, it is an oxygenating bamboo charcoal anti-pollution mask which purifies and unclogs, illuminates complexion, moisturises and soothes. So I shall have a little go of that one. So I think that's everything in the box. I think that's a really good box this month. I'm just gonna have a little look and see if there's anything else in the book that looks interesting. So it just says shine bright like a diamond, and it's just got chatting about a few different products and things for you to look at. And obviously they'll sell them on the website, I'm sure. Also hidden gems around the world, telling you a little bit of nice little places to go to and visit. And then there is, what else is there? The power of crystals. So just telling you a little bit about crystals. And what else? So yeah, questions and answers with Bryony. Christmas has come early. So now this is interesting. After me asking about my code, it says here Christmas has come early, and it's mentioning about the Look Fantastic Advent calendar, and it says check your inbox for your exclusive code. The calendar is now available to buy. And I don't think I got an email, but maybe I did. But if that's the case, why didn't customer services just tell me to check my emails? So they've missed out. So anyway, it's sneak peek, so spoiler alert for next month. It is called Dark Wonder, and so this November, next November, we embrace the dark nights and glitz of Bonfire Night with Dark Wonder Edit. We've got 6 magical makeup and skincare products from high-end brands that will leave you dazzling in the moonlight. Your sneak peek for November is the Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Precision Pen Eyeliner in black. Achieve striking eyes for any occasion with this high pigmented liquid liner. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And that's your lot. So just a roundup of this month's box. So we've got the bubble mask, we've got the body lotion, the night cream, the blusher, the lip gloss, and the décolletage neck cream. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I'm really pleased with that. I think that's a really, really good box. So yeah, so there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing this month. Keep checking back, so I've got lots of unboxings to come, plus an absolutely amazing advent calendar that I have not yet seen any unboxings for. So as soon as it comes, I will unbox it, the whole lot. And oh, it's cost me a fortune, but I just wanted to have it, and I thought, do you know what, sod it, I'm going to just treat myself. So I have, and I wasn't even going to get an advent calendar, but it's coming soon and I'm going to share it with you guys. And I've not seen it at all on YouTube. I can't find one, so hopefully I'll get mine up really, really quickly and you can all come back and see it. So I'll put a spoiler alert over on my Instagram, so if you want to see what is going to be, do pop over there. My Instagram is ladymawabeauty. So yeah, that's it. So take care, guys. I'll see you all again very, very soon. If you've liked it, don't forget, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, bell notification, and see you all very, very soon. Bye.